Hello, my name is Aidan and welcome to my YouTube channel. We are currently on a journey of a lifetime, going from the UK to Australia and seeing anything and everything in between. 18 million euros. Steady 18 mil. We found the beach. Good morning YouTube. It is day 8 of 180 of going from the UK to Australia. It is it Monday?
It is Monday.
Monday,
yes.
It's Monday. We've done a week. We left last Monday and we've been out here a week, and today we're still in Milan. We are off to get the train to go to Lake Como, which is meant to be one of the nicest lakes in Europe. It's very hilly next to it, so we're going to take a walk up the hill, have a look at the view of the lake from up there, find some good restaurants, have a swim at the lake, maybe have a cuddle in the lake. Sarah won't be happy. And yeah, hopefully it's some nice viewing. So we'll see you there. We'll see you on Lake Como. I've got blisters on my feet. It's not brilliant. Josh is sunburnt on his neck. We didn't
in the neck.
in the neck. We didn't sun cream up yesterday, did we? Which was silly of us when we were standing in it all day.
Amateur hour.
Amateur hour for sure. But we'll be okay. Josh's neck's all right, really. My foot's okay. I'm limpy a bit. We'll see how we get on. Right, we're on the train, ready to leave for Lake Como. It was a bit of a nightmare in the train station because the ticket machine was going slow, but we only had to use the ticket machine because the trains were different on the machine to what they were on the internet. We couldn't order on the internet because there are only youth tickets available. We couldn't change the option. But yeah, looking forward to the lake.
I am, mate, yes.
It's a bit overcast, but hopefully by the time we get there it would have cleared up and it should be a nice sunny day again. How's your neck? Let's see.
It's a bit red, mate. A bit red and burnt.
Oh god, you can tell the difference. Mine's not too bad, to be honest. I mean, I don't think you can see. But mine's not too bad, so. But we've got sun cream with us today, so we should be okay. So we're just gonna, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna have a stroll around, head towards the lake and see what's about. Just stroll, sightsee, swim. Hopefully the sun comes out a bit better. But it's nice and a bit nice to be cool, isn't it?
It is better, yeah, than yesterday. Unless your neck's not burnt.
Yeah. That's up there, look. Is there a wire cart?
Cable car.
A cable cart, a wire cart.
This is what I do when I watch your videos.
Just correct my sayings.
Correct. I think you get some. Is he an artist?
But Celine is an artist, isn't he? He was. You could say he was an artist.
No, you couldn't.
He was good at his trade.
Oh god. Cancelled.
Oh, nice little area.
There is a cable car, yeah, I'm happy to see it there.
Oh. Nice, let's try that. See how much that is.
No, it's not a cable car, it's a train.
Oh, a little train. Look,
Yeah,
I don't think you can see it on the camera, but there's a little train which goes up to the top. So we'll have a look for that, and we'll get up to the top. I mean, kind of ruined by the big, massive crane, but this is a Como Square. There's Mayor Como. Let's have a look at some house prices. That's what we're saying. No prices on them, is there?
Yeah, there is.
Oh.
1.15 million.
What's this one here? Let's have a look at this. What do you think that is? What's that? 18 million euros. Steady 18 mil. This one's only 10 million euros.
Get an apartment here for 480, that's fine.
480,000.
Yeah.
Little apartment, 480,000. Hey, this one right near the lake, look. 2 million euros for your own pool, lake view. Oh, so we got apartment for rent. What's this one? Lakeview as well.
On the lake. Price upon request, so it's a tiny little extra.
Yeah, 13 million. Hotel. Oh, it's a hotel. Hotel for sale. That's why it's 13 million. Villa in Lake Como. 7 million euros. Who knows, if his YouTube channel goes off, I could be living in Como. 3.7 million. First good view of a lake, we're just getting up to it. Quite lovely around here, isn't it?
It's nice, isn't it?
Fun zebra crossing actually. There is a train which takes you from the bottom of the lake to the top of a hill. It is the Como funicular train up to a village called Brunate, up there somewhere. So we're going to go find that, and we should get some really good views of the lake from the top. It says there'll probably be queues, but it is a Monday, so, and it's probably not peak time yet as it's still morning, so we might not have to wait too long to get up. And we'll show you the way up, and we'll show you the view of the lake from up there. We've opted for a lakeside cafe for half an hour. I've got a beer and Moretti. Josh is on the Fanta. Next to the lake, we got some little bites. Proper cheese, proper actual cheese. Some meat, and whatever they are. I am not touching the olives though. I'm not an olive fan. We're just about to board the train to go up to the top, have a sky view of the lake and all the scenery on the way up. A little kid has just sneezed all over the back of my legs. It's disgusting. What would you do?
Donkey kick him in the face.
I could have donkey kicked him. That's horrible. Goodbye, my lover. We've just got off the little train that took us up to the top of the hill. The scenic views were just trees, basically, but we're heading to, I don't think you might be able to see that lighthouse up in the distance, to a place called Faro Lighthouse. We're currently in a village called Breathtaking, I think it was, wasn't it? Not Brutane, it was Butane. Just going to take a hike up. Apparently it takes about 25 minutes, so should get some decent views from the top of there. Update, should have took the shuttle bus. 25-minute hike, but I assume it's all going to be like this because that lighthouse did look pretty high. Oh man, versus steps too. Oh, it's not today. Not today with that blister. Oh, we're currently about halfway. I assume there's a better view at the top. Let's go. These are all the £1 million houses down here, I guess. Them apartments we seen earlier. Yeah, what's this? Lighthouse. No, that's where we got to go.
Is it?
Yep, up here. It says 9 minutes on here. Probably take about 15 uphill. How are you feeling?
Not great. No, I'm alright. Bit hot.
Imagine if the sun was beating down.
I know, yeah.
We've probably got actually quite lucky with it being cloudy with this stroll up here, to be honest. Nora, I used to eat hills like this for breakfast. Now look at us. Old age. Pray for Aid, pray for Josh.
Sleep well tonight.
Sleep well tonight. Should be worth it up the top row with the views. We've seen some halfway up. How do we look halfway up?
Very good.
So views from the top should be
Beautiful.
Should be stunning. Come on, men. We're there. A few more steps to go.
Got a tennis court.
Tennis courts.
Even if you lost your ball.
I know. But our ball's in the lake.
Oh.
The lake's 2 miles away downhill. But we should see some really good views from up here. Should all be worth it. Let's take you up. And there we have it. We're here. Look at that. I would agree that was worth it for the view.
Oh, you're asking me?
Yeah,
it was alright.
Now we've got the easy way down. However, it's not too good on the blisters, but it's easy than going up. Then we're going to get probably get a bus to one of the swimming areas of the lake and go for a dip. I would say catch a sunset, but it's still cloudy. So. Little coat though. I've actually ordered a proper authentic Italian pizza. I probably won't like it that. We'll see, we shall see. We have an issue, just ate. I've literally ate all the bread in the basket before my big round plate of bread has just come out. And I'm a bit full, but I'm gonna have to get through it. So, how's your carbonara, mate?
Very nice. Very nice.
We have arrived in Leno, a little town where apparently it's really good to go swimming. So we're still about 20 degrees, so it shouldn't be too cold in the lake, should it?
Yeah, it's going to be cold.
It's going to be cold in the lake, but we said we're doing it. We've found the beach. Well, the rock face that we're going to go in. So I'm going to get in at least. Don't know about Josh. I'm going to get in and I'm going to see how it feels. There is a little private beach up there with its own beds and that, but it was 22 euros, so we're just going to get in the free bit. Yeah, let's go. Right, might be a bit colder today than Lake Geneva. Oh, that's not bad at all. That is not bad. That is not bad at all. There we are, Lake Geneva complete. Lake Como complete. Oh, ow. It's just a bit rocky underfoot. That's all I would say. Oh, ready? Oh, fire. That's cold. That's cold. It does look pretty clean, to be honest, which is good. There we are. Look at them views behind us as well. Milan, Italy, Lake Como. Woo. I've got to be careful because I've not got the right casing on my GoPro, so if I drop my GoPro, that's all the footage for today gone. The views in every lake are going to be stunning over the whole trip. It's going to be unbelievable. Look at that. And that's it, we are back in our Milano suburb. Heading back to the apartment one last time. We've just had a Five Guys. Feeling a bit full, aren't we?
Just a bit.
bit full. Gonna pop into Lidl, get to the apartment, edit this video, and that's it for the Italian adventure. The Italy part of the journey is over. Tomorrow we get a bus from Milan to Zagreb in Croatia for the next leg. So there probably won't be another vlog on Wednesday, because I might not record anything tomorrow, because I'm on a bus for 12 hours again tomorrow. So I'm gonna actually try and get some kind of traveling content between, because we are passing through Slovenia on my way to Croatia. So I'll try and get some views. I'll try and kind of talk some shit on my way to the bus, etc. And we'll see if I can make a 10-minute out of it. But if not, thank you for watching again. And yeah, how was Milan? How did you find Milan?
Very good.
Italian Grand Prix was good, Milan was good, Rome was good. But that's it for Italy. We're on to the next one. So we will see you. I will see you. Josh is going home, back to work.
Yep.
And he's a regular job kind of guy.
Yeah.
I'm unemployed. So we'll see you in Croatia. See you there.